Yes, sir. Okay.
So here I welcome all of you to this class wherein you have done with your perimeter area, but for my dear students, we are revising it again for the next upcoming week up to the 15th or 16th. We'll be doing perimeter area and algebraic expression revision regarding if there is any doubt in all the 7th class जो भी आपके whatever may be the chapters that have completed to you. If you have any doubt in any chapter, you can ask me anytime, and we can discuss
Yes, sir.
doubts in those chapters. If there is some chapter weak, whatever it may be, we can work on that. So let us move ahead. Write down the question regarding perimeter and area of rectangle and a square. Write down the question.
Yes, sir.
The length and breadth of a rectangular. The length and breadth of a rectangular piece. Length and breadth of rectangular piece of land are length and breadth of rectangular piece of land are 500 meter and 300 meter respectively. 500 meter
500 meter
and 300 meter respectively. 500 meter and 300 meter respectively. Find number one, its area. Find its area. Someone have unmute himself. Please mute yourself, beta. Find its area. When you have a doubt, you can unmute and ask the doubts. Find its area. And number two, cost of land. Cost of land for that particular plot. If 1 meter square costs rupees 10,000. If 1 meter square costs rupees 10,000. This is the question asked to you. This is the question that has been asked to you. Yes, write down the question, please.
Sir, written the question.
Yes, write
Can
down
we
the question.
start solving?
If you can start, or please look here. Now, the first question was about its area, but how to solve it at the time of examination? How must you have to write the answer in particular steps? See, you people go to use 2 into bracket L plus B or L into B, but you should have to mention that L and B. L is a length and B is a breadth. ये आपको mention करना पड़ेगा every time. Whenever you are solving mensuration, whatever may be the formula you are using, whatever may be the small abbreviations that you are using, Advait, Advait and Tejasri and Namra, yes, I am respecting you, I am requesting you to on the video, please. Whenever you are solving the mensuration problems, you should have to mention the abbreviations, whatever you are using. So the first line will be length, small l be length, and b be breadth of given rectangular plot or land, जो भी उन्होंने कहा है. Hence, फिर हम लिखेंगे whatever may be the values they have given us. Hence, L will be 500 meter and B will be 300 meter. L will be 500 and B will be 300. It's 500 and 300 given. Now, the first one is area of rectangular land is equal to L into B. So we'll find out area, which will be equal to 500 multiplied by 300. Both are in meters. So 5 into 3, 15 and 0000 meter square. This will be the particular area of rectangular land. Okay, area of land. 500 multiplied by 300, 50. For this Unmute yourself. Now, again, we'll say the next one. Total cost of land is equal to area of land multiplied by its rate of land. Area of land is how much? 15. And then the 4 zeros. You can count it this way. 1,50,000 is the meter square, is the area. And every 1 meter square costs 10,000 multiplied by 10,000. It will be equal to.
Okay.
Please unmute yourself. This will be the answer. Yes or no? Please check it. Yes, if anybody have a doubt, please ask. Hello? Anybody have a doubt, please ask.
No, sir.
No doubt. No doubt.
Please write it down. All of you understood this problem?
Yes.
Yes. May I rub it?
Yes,
and,
sir.
and should we go to the next one?
Yes.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. I will rub it and we'll go to the next one. Now let us go to the second question. Find out. Question is that find out area of a square. Find out area of a square whose perimeter is 320 meter. Whose perimeter is 320 meter. We need to find out area of such a square whose perimeter is 320 meter. Atharva and Namra Mehta, I am again requesting you to on your video, please, and Tejasri also. So we need to find out area of a square whose perimeter is 320 meter. Now, let you tell me what will be the area of square. What is the formula for the area of square? Yes.
Side multiplied by side.
Side into side.
Side into
Or side
Side into
multiplied by side.
Side multiplied by side. Good. So do we have a side here? Do we have a side?
No.
No. We don't have a side
No.
here. Yes or no? We don't have a side. So for side, we need to find out that first of all. But what is given to us? Perimeter. So the
Perimeter.
let side of a square be a meter. Of a, let's say you can take a, or you can take x, or you can take y, or you can keep as it is a side also. No issue. Last question, we are having 2 dimensions, means length and breadth. 2 are the difference. So we take L and B. You can take side here also for the square, or if you want to go by side as a centimeter, x a meter, x meter, y meter, centimeter, whatever it may be, you can take the abbreviation as per your convenience, or you can use side also. Okay. So side of a square be.
The side equals to 80 meter.
We are considering it first of all. Let me complete the first concept. Okay.
I tell only answer.
Now, perimeter of a square is equal to 320 meter. Why? It is given. You must have to write down in a steps. आप लोगों को आदत mostly you students try to write perimeter 320. आप ऐसे लिखते हो perimeter equal to 320. No, perimeter of a square. इसकी perimeter है, whose perimeter it is 320 meter. How you get to know that? By using the given concept. ये दिया हुआ है. It is given. So perimeter of a square is equal to 320 meter. Hence, now the perimeter of a square का formula 4 multiplied by a is equal to 320 meter. We know that 4 into side is 320 meter. Hence, a will be 320 divided by 4, which is 80 meter. Hence, side of a square will become 80 meter. If you can't see this, carefully see this, please. There are no curtains, so you may find out it is a is equal to 320 by 4, which will be equal to 80 meter. Okay. So now, hence, Hence, actually, we have the dark room for the curtains and all other things, but right now the 10th examination is going on over there. So I am conducting your class here in the other classroom. Okay. So A equal to 320 by 4, which is equal to 80 meter. Now, area of a square is equal to side multiplied by side, where it will be A multiplied by A, which is 80 multiplied by 80. 8 8s are 64 and 00 meter square. Hence, actually last question maybe we keep to say you that now whenever there is the question in the words, you should have to give the answer in words. Hence, at last you will say area of a square is 6400 meter square. This will be the final answer. Yes, anybody have a
We
doubt?
can't-
Please ask. Yes.
That can see because that windows.
Yeah, I will make a solution for that. I am here itself. Whenever you are not able to see this, tell me. Once I stop the recording, I will be here. You can write down this. Say me left side for this, right side for this. Your is left. So ask me to stand on left side if you want this. Ask me to stand on right side if you want this. So I will stand it by that side.
The vote is,
You will get to know.
the vote is
I will be
multiply by.
rotating backwards, so you will get to solve this. Don't take attention about this. Okay. So is this concept clear? Is this problem clear to everybody?
Yes, sir.
Sure, may I go ahead? May I rub this?
Yes, sir.
Now the next question is find the breadth of a rectangular line. Find breadth of rectangular line if its area is 440 meter square and length is 22 meter. Also find its perimeter. Also find its perimeter. So our first statement will be let L be the length. Let L be the length and B be breadth of rectangle. L be the length and B be breadth of rectangle. Hence, here area of rectangle is equal to 440 meter square. It is given. Hence, L into B is equal to 440. What is given to us here? Whose length is 22 and L is equal to 22 meter. ये हमें लिखना था पहले. L is equal to 22. Hence 22 multiplied by B is equal to 440. Hence B is equal to 440 divided by 22, which will be 20 meter. So B will become 20 meter. Hence perimeter of rectangle. Now perimeter of a rectangular land is equal to 2 in bracket L plus B, 2 in bracket 22 plus 20. So 2 multiplied by 42, which is 84 meter. Perimeter kabhi bhi meter mein aayegi. So final answer will be hence perimeter, hence breadth of rectangular land is 20 meter and perimeter of rectangular land is 84 meter. This will be your final answer. Yes, if any doubt, please ask. Yes, if do you have any doubt, please ask. Take a screenshot since the time is not too much for this meeting. It is about to end. So take a screenshot. If you have a doubt, you can
Sir,
ask.
can you be
Write down
side?
your workings. Please listen to me carefully. Write down your workings. I will ask to have your group with your class teacher or whatever it may be. So whenever I will be in the group, I will ask you to put all of your workings of this, and along with that, I will send you the HW for this concept also. Okay, so let me tell you the HW here itself. For the today, what you need to solve? The question 4, 5, 6, 7 from the first exercise of perimeter and area 11.1. Question 4, 5, 6, 7. You try to solve it on your own. If you have a doubt, we can discuss in the next meeting. Okay, right now,
Sir, can you
solve it.
decide
If you have a
I
doubt,
have to take screenshot?
raise your hands.
Please excuse.
You can take a screenshot, no worries. Thank you. Just I want to ask if you have a doubt. Doubt honge to I will clear it again.
No, sir. No doubt.
No doubt, da.
No doubt.
Thanks. Have a nice day. Take a
No
screenshot.
doubt. Yes, da. Yes, da.
Yes, sir.
Having fun?
Yes, sir.